Today we're going to make a quiz or question and answer game in Scratch. So this is an example of one I've made in the past. It's a quiz about capital cities, and how the game works is when I press the green flag, my character asks me a question. In this case, what is the capital city of Australia? I put in an answer. If the answer is correct, I will get a point and it will make a sound. And if it's wrong, it will say wrong and I'll get a wrong answer, score in the wrong answer. So let's see what happens. Well done. Play a sound and I'll get a score over here. Okay, now I've got another question. Okay, and so that's what we're going to make today. So the way we do this is by using the sensing blocks and the variables. So I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to log into my Scratch Classroom and then I'm going to create. The first thing we need to do once we've created is add a backdrop and add a character. So I'm going to change the stage and I might just do the beach, and I'm going to change the character. So I'm just going to pick the ballerina and I'll get rid of Scratch Cat. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is add in a code for the character to ask the question. So you can see my code here. The game starts when I press the green flag. So I'm going to make that my starting code. So I go to events and find when the green flag is pressed or clicked, and I put that as my first block. Then what I want to happen is when the green flag is clicked, I want my character to show in case they hide. And in the one that the example over here, at some point the character does hide and another character comes and asks the question. So I want them to show, and then I want them to ask a question. So I go to the sensing blocks and I find that I pick the one that says ask and I put that in there. So right now my character is going to ask, what is your name, and wait. And we can test that by pressing the green flag and then I can put in an answer. But I want to have my character answer a specific question, and I want to tell Scratch what the answer is. So in this case, the answer is Canberra. So in order to set that up, I need a few different blocks. I need a control because I need to have an operator or an option. So if the answer is this, then I want you to do that or do something else. I then need an operator, and I pick this one here, that something equals to something, and I put that inside there. Then I go back to my sensing blocks and I pick the circle that says answer, and then I'm going to put the answer as whatever the answer might be. I'm going to change my question so it has an answer. So let's make it, what is the first letter of the alphabet? Okay, so therefore my answer is A. And now my ballerina expects the person, the user playing the game, to answer with A. If they answer with A, I want to play a sound and say, so go to sounds, find play sound, and then say, well done. If the answer is not A, I want them to say, try again. So let's try that and see what happens. So I press my green flag. What is the first letter of the alphabet? Let's put the answer in correctly. Fantastic. I'm going to press stop. I'm going to do it again. What is the first letter of the alphabet? This time I'm going to put the wrong answer in. Try again. So my code is working so far. Looking back at my code over here, I want to add in a score. Okay, and in the next video, I will show you how to add in a score. If I want to add in more questions, I duplicate that. I duplicate that. I change the question. And I change